Once was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows and the fans go around with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry. This life is a party. I'm never growing up. Was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems. When I get it, I'ma pile it up. Now I'm dope on the bread. We can toast so fresh. How we flow. Everybody get this down. Once was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows.
Okay, so for the third build video, I'm mostly working on the front end, and I'm working on the front diff to be exact. We're gonna put that onto the car. I'm gonna start by taking this out and installing the diff onto the shock tower where those 4 screw holes are. Now what I'm going to do is install the front bumper onto the diff.